Ethereum is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can break 5 likes this video. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we are currently testing a major support level. In yesterday's video, I did mention that we were probably looking at testing that level once we broke below this exponential moving average right here at the $1,300 mark. As soon as we saw a double form rejection candle on the resistance at 1331, this became extremely bearish. Obviously, this whole move could have been a massive fake out, and I mentioned that to you guys 2 days ago that when you see a large move like this, because of the fact that RSI was completely oversold, we were expecting a bounce, but I was not expecting this large of a bounce to break above that resistance level right into the second resistance and then start acting as a rejection point. Now you can see that we tested that level 3 times. We have 3 beautiful wicks to the high side, rejected all 3, and now it's starting to look like more of a BART formation, right? We can possibly be looking at that $1,200 retest once again on Ethereum, and overall that major support level at $1,000. Now, I did mention to you guys many times before that as long as we hold above this 1278 level, this is going to act as a great support for Ethereum, and short term we will be looking to be bullish. Now, of course, the more times we are testing this support level, the weaker it becomes. And looking at it from the 4-hour perspective, you can see that we did get that break below, but we had another V-shaped formation. I've told you guys this many times that you want to be careful about V-shaped formations where the market basically breaks that support level and bounces right back up. We are seeing that multiple times on Ethereum, so you have to be very careful. In order for us to see a confirmation of a bearish movement, we want to see a break below and then a consolidation like we saw over on Cardano. Then that would be a massive move to the downside. Until then, pretty much everything you see, and every time it bounces below that support, we have to get that confirmation. You can see that we saw a bunch of liquidations all the way down here, breaking this all the way to the 1182 level, and then the move to the upside. So that is still a short-term bullish move set. Now, whether or not this is going to be a fake out is going to be the real question. Obviously, it is the weekend, so I'm not really expecting much of a large move just yet, but we have to be careful about the 4-hour, right? Watching it right now, we are trading below the exponential moving averages, and we are hovering right above that support level. You can see we've already tested it twice, so the third test usually does tend to be a breakout formation, so just be careful about that. Now, over on the hourly time frame, you can see a little bit of a better picture that we are testing and bouncing off the support level quite low. Well, we are still below the exponential moving averages though, so in order for us to be okay with a long position, we have to get above those exponential moving averages and then start trading and using them as support. Something like this does not count, right? You can see that although we got above those exponential moving averages, we didn't see a clean break above, right? I'll give you guys an example of what I'm saying. Ideally, what you want to look on Ethereum is something like this, right? Where you see a clean break above, and then you get that nice bullish candle right over here, and then that confirmation. That would be a good idea to take a small scalp position. But again, you don't want to get faked out, right? So a lot of traders over here on the hourly got faked out on this move set. You saw we bounced off that support level. We got that confirmation, but we couldn't break above that 1304, and then we pretty much consolidated right in between those exponential moving averages. You don't want to try trading in between those exponential moving averages. You want a clean break to the upside, right? Trading in between those exponential moving averages pretty much 50-50, and you can see that's exactly how it played out. Although we did get above that exponential moving, we can see that we tried to get above, we couldn't, we failed, and we broke right below, and then we had the larger move set to the downside. Now, whether or not that's going to happen again right now on the hourly, we'd have to be very careful, but right now it does look like Ethereum is trying to break above, and it looks like the bulls are trying to take the level right above this level right here at 1297 and possibly making a larger move set. But you can pretty much see how beautiful this M formation played out, or again, you can look at it from a BART perspective, but it played out perfectly, right? We hit that resistance level exactly at 1331. It rejected cleanly on a double top formation, and then it looks like Ethereum just broke below that support on the exponentials and continued pushing that support at 1278. The reason why I have these two support lines for you guys at 1331 and at 1287, it gives you a good indication of whether or not to take a long or short position. As you guys can see, as soon as we hit that 1331, we rejected. That was a beautiful opportunity to take a short position. Now we are testing that 1278 level, and you can see as long as we hold above it, that would be a good idea to take a small long position. Overall though, I'm still looking for shorting opportunities because the market is still in a downtrend, right? There's no reason for us to take any long positions because it looks like this is just a large accumulation stage that's been happening all the way back down, and it just looks like we are expecting a very much larger move. Now, of course, for our area of support is going to be the $1,000 level, so just keep that in mind. But again, that $1,000 level will probably not end up holding because you can see on the 4-hour, we've already tested that level 3 times prior. So this is going to be an extremely large move on Ethereum, so just be wary of that. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and hope you guys have a